Device enrollment in Intune means registering your devices so IT can manage them remotely. This helps enforce security and ensure compliance with corporate policies. Microsoft Intune works with a wide range of devices across different platforms, providing flexibility for your business tech. Compatible with Windows 10 and 11, use Windows Autopilot for hands-free setup of corporate-owned or personal devices. Supports macOS 10.12 and later. Enroll devices through Apple's automated device enrollment or manually. Works with iPhones and iPads running iOS 10 or later. Enrollment options include Apple Configurator and BYOD setups. Supports Android 5.0 or newer, offering options like Android Enterprise Work Profile and fully managed. Intune offers several ways to enroll devices, depending on what works best for your business. Automatic enrollment is hassle-free for corporate devices, requiring no action from users and ensuring consistent security policies. Open Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center, go to Devices, and enable MDM user scope for automatic enrollment. BYOD enrollment allows employees to use personal devices while protecting company data, keeping personal information private. In the Endpoint Manager Admin Center, set up restrictions for allowed devices and apply MAM policies to secure data. Apple ADE offers a simple, zero-touch enrollment experience for large-scale Apple device deployments, connecting with Apple Business Manager. In Endpoint Manager Admin Center, upload an Apple MDM push certificate and create ADE profiles for device preferences. Enrollment profiles ensure devices meet security standards during setup. Configure settings for device naming and management. Common issues include MDM authority not set, invalid profiles or tokens, and devices not joined.